A joyful Teachers' Day to everyone present here. Yes, today is a special day, a day when we celebrate our guides, mentors, and role models, our dear teachers. On behalf of all the children of junior school, we extend a warm and a hearty welcome to our respected Principal Dr. Robert, Mrs. Kaushal, teachers, and my dear friends. Do you know why we celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September? Yes, I know it. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher, philosopher, and the second president of India. He believed that teachers are the real nation builders. That is why we dedicate this day to all our teachers. And now, to begin our celebration with blessings, let us join our hands, bow our heads for the prayer.
Dear God, thank you for our teachers who guide us with love and care. Bless them with happiness and good health. Help us to listen, learn, and always respect them. We are grateful for their patience and wisdom. May their hearts be filled with joy as they nurture young minds and shape our future. Keep them in good health and happy always. Amen.
Thank you for the beautiful prayer. Now let us move ahead to our first presentation, a series by our juniors. In today's world, we often hear about artificial intelligence or AI. But can AI ever replace a real teacher? Let's watch our children as they present this thought in a fun way. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today is Teachers' Day, a day to celebrate our superheroes. Not the ones who wear capes, but the ones who carry books and have hearts full of love. To express our gratitude towards our teachers and we have prepared our skits. Hope you will like it. Today, the school boys have an idea. They think a robot teacher will be better than a real teacher. Let's see what happens. Friends, I have heard we are getting a robot teacher today. Wow, that's great. That means no scolding, no homework, only fun. Yay! Here comes the robot teacher. Be quiet.
Here.
Good morning, children. Good morning, children. am your teacher. Open your book. Oh no, I don't have my book. Maybe the robot teacher won't know about it. Alert, alert, one boy is without a book. 5 jumping jacks for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's your math class. What is 5 plus 2? Ma'am, I know the answer. The answer is 9. Wrong answer. Error, error, error. Hi, what happened here? And what is this? A robot in the class? Ma'am, this is not an ordinary robot. Ma'am, it is a robot teacher. Ma'am, we thought a robot teacher would be better than you. But it is too scary. Yes, ma'am. Robot teacher gives homework, a scolding, and punishments to you. Ma'am, only you can teach us with love and patience. You make school a happy place for us. You help us dream big and fly high. Thank you, children. You all have made my day. So the children realize that no robot or machine can ever replace the love, patience, and care of a real teacher.
Here.
We wish to say thank you to all of you. You help us to learn, read, and play. Now the crazy boys will come and share with you the real meaning of a teacher. T is for teaching us every day. Encouraging us in every way. A is for always being kind and near. C is for caring with love. So, H is for helping us grow. E is for energy. You always show. R is for role model, bright and true. Dear teachers, we say thanks.
What's wrong with you? Yeah, phone.
Disconnected.
And Judy. Here.
Here.
That was so true. A computer may give answers, but only teachers can show us kindness, get guidance, and values. Now let's move to something colorful and vibrant. A Hindi presentation prepared by the children.
Disconnected.
तलवार से तेज धार होती है, बच्चे का भविष्य बना देती है और शिक्षक की आवाज होती है। पर मैं कलम कभी कभी डांट भी पड़वाती हूँ। जब मैम का नोट पापा के पास जाता है, कितनी कहानियाँ और किस्से हैं मेरे पास, अनगिनत। आज शिक्षक दिवस पर हम एक छोटी प्रस्तुति लेकर आए हैं, जिसका शीर्षक है गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे। राकेश सर अपनी बेटी को बाहर देश पैसे भेजने के लिए मैनेजर से मिलने जाते हैं। सर, क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? जी, आइए बैठिए सर। अरे अरे, ये क्या कर रहे हो? सर, आपने मुझे पहचाना नहीं? ये गगन छोटा पड़ जाए, आपने उड़ान ऐसी दी, ये चमन सारा खिल जाए, विश्वास की आगाज ऐसी दी। अरे अरे, ये तो मेरी ही पंक्तियां है। जी हाँ, मैं आपका शिष्य अर्जुन हूँ। अरे तुम मैनेजर। शिक्षक की सबसे बड़ी पूंजी यही तो होती है कि अपने स्टूडेंट को इतना काबिल बनाना समाज के लिए उदाहरण है। मानो या ना मानो, शिक्षक अपने आप को खरबपति से कम महसूस नहीं करता। मैं कलम कोरा दिखाती हूँ, पर जब मैं शिक्षक से सबको बनाती हूँ तो मैं अपने आप को पीटी उषा से कम नहीं समझती। अरे अरे, पीटी उषा से तो एक और किस्सा याद आया। अच्छे से अभ्यास करो, आज तुम्हारा स्विमिंग गाला है। स्विमिंग गाला होने वाला है और सारे छात्र अभ्यास कर रहे हैं। नहीं, आज तुम्हारा स्विमिंग गाला है, अच्छे से अभ्यास करो। स्विमिंग गाला का नतीजा आ चुका है। आज स्विमिंग गाला में देव और कियाज प्रथम स्थान पर आए हैं। लाभ गलती करके हम मुकम्मल खड़े हैं, क्योंकि मेरे गुरु के हौसले बड़े हैं। दौलत तो विरासत में मिल जाती है, पर गुरु की शिक्षा व नीति उनसे ही मिल पाती है। कक्षा में बच्चा रो रहा है और अध्यापिका पूछती है, क्या हुआ? तुम रो क्यों रहे हो? मैम, मैं कितनी बार अभ्यास कर रहा हूँ, पर मुझसे कोई ना कोई गलती हो ही जाती है। कोई नहीं, जब हम गलती करते हैं तो इसे हमें पता चलता है कि हम सीख रहे हैं। अभ्यास करते रहो, एक दिन तुम सफल हो जाओगे। 12वीं का नतीजा आ चुका है। आनंद आनंद, तुम्हें पता है तुम स्पेल बी में प्रथम स्थान पे आए हो। सच मैम? हाँ, सच कहा था आपने कि जीतोगे तुम, यह इरादा करो। इसलिए कोशिश हमेशा ज्यादा करो। किस्मत अपने आप लिख सकते हो, इसलिए मेहनत पर अपना विश्वास ज्यादा करो। अज्ञानता से मुक्त करे, सभी गुरुजन को प्रणाम करूं, भावी भविष्य के निर्माता का सौर से आभार करूं। गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा
Namah. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Gurave Namah. Gurave Namah. आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Beautifully expressed. That was delightful. Moving ahead, we bring to you another short play. Teachers are like Wi-Fi. They connect everywhere. A teacher never retires, never takes leave, and never misses a chance to correct. You all must have heard, once a teacher, always a teacher. That's true, right? But we have a twist here. Once a teacher, everywhere a teacher. Let's show you how. Scene 1. Teacher at home. Oh no! I forgot to wear my shoes. I must call my mom. Mom, Mom. Yes, my child. What happened? Mom, can you pass my shoes? Rohan, that's not the correct way to ask. You should say, Mom, may I have my shoes, please? Now repeat the sentence. Repeat the sentence. Is this my English class going on? That too without shoes. Rohan, repeat the sentence properly. Okay, Mom. Mom, may I have my shoes, please? Yes, that's correct. Now write this sentence 5 times in your notebook. Sentence starting in a notebook? Oh God, I just asked for my shoes and I ended up in a surprise English class. See, once a teacher, everywhere a teacher. Scene 2. Teacher at the market. Madam, buy this carrot. This is for rupees 50 per kg. Please buy it. Bhaiya, that's not the correct way of speaking. You are selling more than one carrot. They are plural. You should say, Madam, these carrots are rupees 50 per kg. Please buy them. Oh, okay, madam. Madam, these carrots are rupees 50 per kg. Please buy them. Excellent. Now tell me the spelling of vegetables. Spelling of vegetables? After selling the vegetables. Madam, I don't know the spelling. No problem, Bhaiya. I will teach you a trick to learn difficult words. To learn difficult words, you should break them into parts. For example, veggie plus table is vegetables. Are you a teacher? Yes. Huh? I must learn from here. Oh, my carrot. Bhaiya, my carrots. I don't know about those carrots. I think I start selling potatoes. They don't need any grammar. Bhaiya, I need to buy carrots. No, madam, no. I'm going from here. Arey, Bhaiya, next time, bring a dictionary along with your carrots. Again, once a teacher, everywhere a teacher. Scene 3. Teacher at the salon. Hello, ma'am. I'll shape your eyebrows. Relax. Okay, continue now.
Fine. What's it then?
It's done, ma'am. Let me inspect. What is this? One eyebrow is long and the other is short. These eyebrows are not leveled. Is she doing maths on her face? Also, the arc is not curved properly. Work on presentation. I give you 6 out of 10. See, even the eyebrows I make are under exam today. Again, once a teacher, everywhere a teacher. Even in making eyebrows. Scene 4. Teacher at the bank.
Yeah, boy.
Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you today? I would like to withdraw some money. Here is the check. Absolutely, ma'am. I'll just make an entry in my register. Ma'am, please sign here. Excuse me. Look at your handwriting. Yes, ma'am. What is this? These eggs look like sleepy snails. And the peas, they are doing yoga? Ma'am, it's just my office register. No excuses. Presentation matters. Write it again. Come on, write it again. Neatly. Otherwise, I'm calling your parents and giving it to the manager. Okay, ma'am. Don't get angry. Better. Not excellent, but better. You get 7 out of 10. Even in my own bank, I have to pass exams. Oh no. See, once a teacher, everywhere a teacher. Now we have a special song for all the teachers.
Boys, phone. Phone, sit there. Arishan. Ashmi.
Here.
Always running my daily race. Notebooks there and lessons there. Patience tested every day. Teachers strong and true. We would be lost without you. That is why we all love you.
Phone, William.
What a beautiful message! Teaching is not just a profession, it is a lifelong calling. Teachers make our life colorful with knowledge and joy. To express our love and gratitude, there is a special dance performance dedicated to all our teachers.
Now see now. No.
कितनी मेहनत करते हो ना हमारे लिए, हमारी शैतानियों को भी झेलते हो सिर्फ हमें पढ़ाने के लिए। अभी डांट लगाई और अगले ही पल गुस्सा गायब हो जाता है। हमें वर्स्ट बैच तो कहते हो, पर सच बताना, हमारी क्लास में ही आपको सबसे मजा आता है ना?
dedicated to all our teachers.
No. Sonia. Wendy. Atal Tiwari. Gold. Gold. Here. Aditya. Gold. Naya. Gold. Very sad. Who's here? Zubair? Zubair? Gold. Riyan Sagar, go to ma'am. Go to Sama ma'am. Go to Sama ma'am. Naya, two way.
Disconnected.
Head, shoulder, hold. On the floor, baby. Base.
Brother Robert, as a token of appreciation for your leadership and support, we'd like to present you with a card. Respected ma'am, we are honored to present you with this card as a small gesture of gratitude for your guidance and dedication to our school. Your presence means a lot to us.
With that melodious note, we come to end of our celebration. And dear teachers, we just want to say thank you for your love, for your patience, and your guidance. You are true heroes. Happy Teachers' Day once again. Now I would request our esteemed principal, Brother Robert, to come and say a few words.
Now no one will stop.
Good morning teachers, good morning boys. So first and foremost, thank you to the boys that have come and participated and the teachers who have prepared them. Thank you for that assembly's wonderful message come through in this assembly. Alright, a round of applause for all the boys and the teachers for the assembly. I only want to tell you one thing. And that is, you know, on Mother's Day every year, I call my mother to wish her. And the first thing she tells me is, why are you calling me? Every day is Mother's Day. Alright? In the same way, I can tell you this. Every day is also Teacher's Day. Every day is Teacher's Day. Why have we kept this special day? It's because we are so selfish. We are only concerned about ourselves and we forget to thank them every day. So what we have done in our country is we have kept this special day. And in our country, teachers are very special. As we heard in the Hindi skit, we spoke about Guru. It's a very traditional thing from very long time back that we hold our teachers in great respect. Alright, so what I want all of you in St. Columbus to do is make every day as Teacher's Day, because your teachers are teaching you so much and they're giving you so much of their time. And to the teachers, happy Teacher's Day to each one of you. And I hope that whatever you do with the students, that they may be inspired and they grow up to be good human beings. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day. God bless each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Dear teachers, a card will be coming to all of you a little later. All right, boys. Please stand. Stand. Stand, it is. Smartly, I can't hear you.